Today we're behind the wheel of the Dodge Durango and we're going to show you how to select the wireless Apple CarPlay from the Bluetooth menu. Now it may pop up here on the home screen, but if it doesn't, the easiest thing to do is select the phone icon down here. Then you may get this notification on the screen. But if you don't see that, the easiest thing to do is click on Device Manager over here on the side, and then that might begin searching, or there might be a little button here that says Add Device. Now on our phone, you can go into the Settings menu, so that gray cog wheel, and then the third thing down is going to say Bluetooth. So if you go ahead and select Bluetooth on here, if you go all the way to the bottom, you might see the UConnect there with a few numbers. So go ahead and select anything that says UConnect, or even on the screen, you can select if your name is up there. Now, we'll give you a PIN, so you're going to want to make sure that PIN actually matches the same numbers on your phone. So if that is the case, go ahead and select Pair, and then back on the device, or on the infotainment screen rather, go ahead and select Yes. Now back on our phone, it's going to ask if we want to allow contacts and favorites to be synced, so we'll go ahead and allow that. And then it may give you one more notification to connect to Apple CarPlay. So you're going to have to click Connect on here in order for it to work. Then back onto our screen, one more time, we're going to click OK, and then OK, and now wireless Apple CarPlay will pop up. Now, every time you get in the vehicle, this will connect, so you won't have to do this over and over, but it gives you text messaging, Google Maps. There's even a new menu over here if you've updated the iOS system, so lots of cool stuff from behind the wheel of your Dodge Durango. Now, for some reason it's not working, you may have to go into the Bluetooth menu, maybe turn this on or off a couple times, or you can also select it from the Device Manager screen. There's a few different ways to do it in here. If you go into the apps, you can actually find your Device Manager, and then you can also add a phone that way. So there's lots of ways to connect to wireless CarPlay in your Dodge Durango.